The most infamous and notorious incident in the history of medicine involving surgical experiments on enslaved women is that of the American doctor, Dr.J. Marion Sims. Dr. Sims, who is often referred to as the father of modern gynecology, conducted painful surgical experiments between 1845 and 1849 in Alabama on several enslaved black women without anesthesia. His goal was to find a treatment for post-childbirth complications, especially vesicovaginal fistula. The greatest cruelty of these experiments was that these women's consent was never taken. Since they were enslaved, only the permission of their owners was considered necessary. From Dr. Sims's records, we know the names of 3 women who endured the most suffering and played a central role in his experiments. Anarcha, a young woman who underwent more than 30 surgeries in an attempt to repair her fistula. Betsey today. Many historians and ethicists remember these women as the mothers of gynecology, recognizing their suffering and sacrifice on which the foundation of modern gynecology was built. Dr.J. Marion Sims and the Enslaved Women. In the 1840s, Sims repeatedly performed experimental surgeries on enslaved black women in the United States. Buying or leasing women, Sims leased enslaved women from their owners for his experiments so that he could have complete control over their bodies. According to one report, he even purchased one woman outright because her case was unique, and her owner did not want to risk his investment in experimental surgery. Anarcha, Lucy, and Betsey. The most well-known among these women were Anarcha, Lucy, and Betsey, young girls who suffered chronic pain from childbirth complications, vesicovaginal fistula, and were used under the guise of medical treatment. Lack of consent. Because they were enslaved, these women's consent had no legal or moral standing. Only their owner's permission was required for the surgeries. Experiments without anesthesia. Sims did not use anesthesia during these painful operations because he believed in a racist theory that black people did not feel pain the same way white people did. Anarcha alone endured over 30 surgeries before a successful repair was achieved. The pain and suffering of these women laid the groundwork for modern gynecology, but it came at the cost of a grave violation of human rights. Today, they are honored as the mothers of gynecology, to acknowledge their exploitation and to give them the respect and recognition they deserve.